Hey, good morning everybody. I'm Keith and here we are in my garage. We're going to work on my 2002 Mustang GT today. I've got a new part in from cjponyparts.com right here in the box. So let me show you the part that's broken and then we'll get into how to do the repair. Okay, so basically the reason why we're doing this repair today is because I had a close encounter with a deer. I was on my way home a little while ago on the highway and a deer was on the other side of the road and ran right out in front of me. I saw him at the last second and hit my brakes as hard as I could, but I noticed that there was a really big truck right behind me too, so I didn't hit the brakes as hard as I could have because I was not wanting to stop right in front of the truck, but I was trying to avoid the deer at the same time. Luckily the deer decided to jump as high as he could as he got close to my car, and he basically jumped right across my front end and cleared most of the car, except for he did put one foot down right here on my cowl and busted this piece here. And then he also scratched my hood, but I was able to buff that out pretty good. So that's why I had to order a new part. And so as far as I know, this whole process is pretty straightforward. So that's what I'm going to show you guys how to do today, how to replace that part. So let's get started. All right, so here is the new part. As you can see, looks just like the original. Even has the, appears to have the same texture as the factory OEM. So that's real nice. It also has the weather stripping included. So that's real nice. That's what the back looks like. Yeah, looks real good. Basically on the old part, you'll need to take off the clips and transfer them to this part. Clips will go onto these spots here, and then you'll transfer the windshield washer nozzles off the old part and just clip them into the new part. That's about it. All right, I like it. All right, so the first step is going to be to remove your windshield wiper arms. There's a little tab that you gotta slide out and then it pops right off. Just like that. And next step is to open the hood, and we're going to take off the weather stripping that goes between the firewall and the hood. It just comes off by hand. Just like that. Okay, the next step is to remove a couple of push pins. Yep, just like that. And then there's one on the other side. Now there might be a third one here, but I think for some reason mine's missing, but in case your car has one, there might be a third one right here, but mine doesn't have that. So now you can see the cowl is actually loose now and almost ready to be pulled out. Okay, so next step is to lower the hood, and we're going to attempt to pop this off the car. But just remember those spots where the clips might be. We're going to loosen those. You're probably going to break the cowl like I am here. The plastic is really, really dry, and it's just going to fall apart on me anyway. So. There goes that part. And here's one of the clips, so we'll come back and take that off the car once we get this out of here. It just basically broke off. So. that's the old piece completely annihilated. Okay, now the next step is to disconnect the windshield washer hoses from the nozzles, and then we'll just push the nozzles out and get those ready to transfer to the new part. There's one. And the nozzles come out just like that. There's that one. I'll take the old piece out. All right, so I've gotten all the clips taken off of the old part. Going to transfer them to the new part. Just like that. And next we'll replace the windshield wiper nozzles. Just pop those into place. Oh, easy. Just like that. Okay, and now our new piece is ready to install. That's that one. And then we'll place this like that. Over on that side. Okay, then I open the hood again and we put our 2 push pins back in on each side. So one was on this side and one was on that side. So that part's done. Okay, so next step is to reinstall the weather stripping now that we've got those push pins in place. Okay, so next step we'll close the hood and reinstall the windshield wipers. Okay, so I've got both of my windshield wiper arms reinstalled, and that wraps up our project. So as you can see, not too hard to replace one of these parts, and now it looks good as new. So if you like this video, smash that like button for me and click subscribe, and I'll see you next video.